Welcome back to day 38 of our 100 Days Python Coding Challenge. Today, we're diving into a fun problem, creating acronyms from abbreviations using Python. If you're ready to expand your Python skills and learn how to manipulate strings, this challenge is for you. Whether you're new to Python or looking to reinforce your knowledge, this challenge offers valuable insights into string manipulation and algorithmic thinking. Plus, you'll walk away with a practical Python solution that you can apply to real-world scenarios. Input. The first line of input contains space-separated strings. Output. The output should be acronyms separated by a dot. Sample, input, and output are also be given for your reference. Help us grow our community by liking, commenting, and sharing this video with your fellow Python enthusiasts and aspiring programmers. Together, let's spread the joy of coding and empower others to become proficient Python developers. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.